Hello and welcome to this new tutorial about how to make the localization system, how to use the localization system of Ultra Game template for Unreal Engine 5. As always, you need to have Ultra Game template, download from Fab all the marketplaces of Unreal Engine, and let's start. The first thing we need to test the localization system is in the default game data asset. We just want to make sure to set this to development build. And in the previous tutorial, we learned how to actually work with the text that appeared in UGT, but how can we actually localize new text that we implement either in the gameplay of our game or in any other part? So let's learn that now. It's actually super easy. So let's go to menus, and this is just an example, okay? Let's go to menus and let's go to UGT main and pause menu. And here I'm going to make a new text that I'm going to put in the canvas panel. And let's put this text here, and I'm hello, I am a text. So this would be the text, and of course, if I play to this is not going to get localized. Obviously, we haven't told it so. So let's actually localize that. And to localize any text in UGT is actually super easy. So in this case of this text, but it could be anywhere with text, okay? We need to set this text to is variable, okay? And then we're going to go to the graph and we are going to do something in the event construct here, which is the begin play of the widgets. We are going to set the text block here, and there is this node which is called set text, okay? And we can use this node here with the set text. And here we can put like blah, blah, blah. Okay, so if I put here blah, 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 look what happens here. Here we get blah, blah, blah instead of the text that I have designed here. Okay, so this is correct. So the only thing you need to use to localize any text is set the text with whatever function you need to set the text to whatever you're localizing. Okay, and then you need to go here and search UGT Localize. And then we have UGT Localize. We hook this here, and then we assign I don't know, my localized text. We put this here. So what is going to happen now? What is going to happen is, now the table is getting this. So now my text appears on quotation because I'm also in development mode. Remember that from the previous tutorial, okay? And that means that this text is the Google Spreadsheet table is trying to search for this text and it is not finding it. And it is as easy as grabbing this over here, coming here, putting this here, my localized text in the rows, and then I put hello, I am a super awesome localized text. And hola, soy un texto localizado, super genial. Okay. Save file, download, .csv. Then we come here, we search in Ultra Game template for local, and we have UGT text localization table, reimport with new file, and we go to the number 5, and now that text is localized. Hello, I'm a super awesome localized text. And of course, if I change this instead of English to Spanish, remember that the menus are so big because I'm testing on Switch, so the texts are super big. Now we have, hola, soy un texto localizado super genial, which is just amazing. Okay, so that's really all. You can use UGT Localize for everything you want, even with strings. So if I do a append string, you know, you can actually convert kinds. So I'm going to do this like so, and I'm going to do, I don't know, whatever, like that. I'm going to add a new pin, and I could put something here, okay, or just for, and connect this here, or I could use, say, number 8. I don't know what you would want to do this, but as you can see, this system also you can concatenate text or append strings or whatever you want. So this is how you localize text or your own text with your own system using UGT. I'm going to delete all this because I don't really want this. And in the next tutorial, what we are going to do is using the audio localization system, which is also super interesting too. But we're going to do that in the next tutorial.